about the homework question 7.6 number 6, which I got an email about. Let's see what the question says. It says, I need help with this problem. Okay, well, I guess I'll just do the problem. If you send more info in your email, like about where you got stuck, then I can address exactly where you're stuck. But sometimes I know it's just like, how do I even start? So how I start is I first see that this is a word problem or a story problem, however you want to say it, and try not to panic. Remember that my plans are either recognize this as a specific kind of problem that I have a tool for in my toolbox, or if I don't recognize it, translate it all into math and see what I can do. So it says the ratio. Okay, I already know, I think, what I'm going to do. Like, I already recognize a tool in my toolbox, which was the thing that we did in class on Thursday morning about having a proportion, two ratios that equal each other. So that's what I think is going to happen already. The ratio of the weight of copper to the weight of zinc in an arcade token is 1 out of 43. Okay, there's some ratio. If 65 kilograms of zinc is being turned into tokens, how much copper is needed? So I will plan to use a proportion to do this. I have the weight of copper to the weight of zinc. Okay, so weight of copper to the weight of zinc. Is it Zn? I know copper is Cu. Can't actually remember. I guess I'm not confident enough in that to write the abbreviation, so I'll write zinc. So this is my plan, is I'm going to write a proportion, multiple ratios that have copper on top and zinc on the bottom. It told me that this was 1 out of 43. Copper to zinc is 1 to 43. Yep, okay. Then it says I have 65 kilograms of zinc. So I have to put 65 here somewhere. And I guess I'm going to put it down here. Hopefully it tells me how much copper I have. How much copper is needed is the question. So I don't know how much copper is needed. I will call that X. I set this up as a proportion because I recognized that tool from my toolbox to use, and now I can solve for X. I will solve for X by first copying down the whole thing. Then clearing some denominators. Specifically, I just want to get rid of this 65 kilograms. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 65 kilograms. What's left over is X. This kilograms survives into my answer, and I have 65 divided by 43. I think 43 is a prime number, so this is like kind of a messy answer. Let's see how they want the answer submitted. It says you would need blank kilograms of copper. If needed, round answer to 5 decimal places. A reduced fraction may work as well. Okay, so I would try 65 out of 43 as my first try. And then if 65 out of 43 doesn't work, then I would ask the calculator what 65 divided by 43 was. 65 divided by 43. I got 1.51163. That's my approximation. So I would try the reduced fraction, 65 out of 43 first, and then the decimal only if that reduced fraction doesn't work. Okay, I will send this to you by email and send me more questions anytime.